and I know a lot of people struggle converting from one unit to another. So the way that my brain says this is that this tells me the conversion factor. This is a conversion factor. We know that 1 kilogram has 2.2 pounds and 1 inch is approximately 2.54 centimeters. So we're going to use this as conversion factor, and I'm not going to go into like creating a ratio. That's, for me, it's too complicated. The way that my brain says it is like whatever unit they are giving you, you are going to divide by the same unit. So for example, you take 17 inches and we're going to turn this into centimeters, so I will divide by the same unit. So in this case, my conversion factor is something that 1 inch is equal to 0.54 centimeters. So I'm going to multiply this by 1 inch and and then multiply by the unit that I want to convert to, which is centimeters. So I divide by the unit that I want, that they're giving me, which is inches. I will divide by that, and I will multiply by the unit that I want to convert to. Now, when you divide by the same unit, the same unit will cancel out, and then you're left with the unit that you want to convert to. So my answer is going to be in centimeters, and I just have to multiply this together. So I'll put in the calculator, and that will be 17 times 2.54. That will be equal to 43.18. So 43.18 centimeters. So again, procedure is simple. You just divide by the unit that you're given, and you multiply by the unit that you want to convert to. Now remember that when you multiply by a fraction, you multiply the numerator times the numerator. And always keep in mind that any whole number can be seen as a fraction of the number that you're given divided by 1. So my brain says this. Same method can be applied to any other unit. So let's do, if we go in reverse, in the opposite direction, let me erase this from here. Oh, this created a mess. Oh no. Alright, so let's do, for example, let's do the one going backwards. So let's do this one, the 90 pounds to kilograms. So again, 90 pounds. And I want to convert to kilograms. I have my conversion here. So I'm going to divide by the unit that I'm given. In this case is pounds. So I'm going to divide by 2.2 pounds. And multiply to the unit that I want to get to, which is 1 kilogram. It's equal to 1 kilogram. So 2.2 pounds is 1 kilogram. And I just have to divide by 2.2. So 90 divided by 2.2. 2.2. And that gives me 40.90. 40.9. So this will be equal to 40.9 kilograms. So again, my procedure, instead of having to do mathematics or ratios and all that kind of stuff, which some people find it complicated, because yeah, you can use the factor label method and just create some ratios that you will use. I prefer just to get my conversion, use my conversion factor, and all I'm doing is divided by the unit that I'm being given. So in this case, 70 kilograms, I will divide by kilogram, and this one I will divide by pounds, and this one I will divide by the centimeters. So we'll use the conversion factor so use the number that I'm given and multiply by the unit that I want to convert to. My brain thinks of like how many units of those are in there. So that's how I got. If you have any question, practice. This is something that takes, the more you do it, the better you're going to get at it, the easier it's going to get, and hopefully you will become better at it, and just practice, just keep practicing, so it's easy.